Why are we so drawn to a patch of earth? What is it about the garden that calls to us, no matter who we are or where we come from? Whether it's a grand estate sprawling across acres or a single pot perched on a windowsill, the urge to plant and nurture is universal. Across continents and cultures, people find comfort in coaxing life from the soil. This pull toward the soil is ancient and deeply human. It's a thread that connects generations, binding us to those who came before and those who will come after. Gardening is more than a hobby, it's a way to reconnect with the rhythm of life. Each seed planted is a promise, a quiet act of hope for the future. In a world of screens and noise, the garden offers a rare escape. It's a sanctuary where the mind can rest and the spirit can breathe. It's a place to slow down, breathe, and simply be. Surrounded by green, we rediscover the art of stillness and the beauty of silence. When we put our hands in the soil, we join a tradition as old as humanity itself. The act grounds us, reminding us of our roots and our place in the world. Our ancestors knew the earth provides food, shelter, and beauty. They understood the cycles of growth and rest, and we inherit that wisdom each time we tend a garden. The simple act of nurturing a plant brings purpose and peace. It's a gentle reminder that small acts of care can yield great rewards. The magic of gardening lies in its simplicity. A tiny seed, a bit of care, and life emerges. Each sprout is a testament to patience and faith. Every green shoot is a small miracle, a daily reminder of hope and renewal. In the garden, we witness transformation firsthand. Even after the darkest winter, spring always returns. The garden teaches us to trust in cycles, to believe in new beginnings. Gardening teaches us resilience and the power of new beginnings. Each revived plant is a lesson in perseverance and hope. Why do we feel this need to cultivate? Because it answers a deep need within us, to create, nurture, and connect. In the garden we find community and shared purpose. We make our mark on the world, turning bare ground into life and color. Each garden is a reflection of our dreams and care. We grow food, create havens for wildlife, and in doing so, the garden shapes us. It teaches us patience, gratitude, and the joy of giving back to the earth. It heals us and brings us closer to what it means to be alive. In every moment spent among the plants, we rediscover wonder. The garden is not just a place we make, it's a place that makes us. It shapes our days, our moods, and our sense of belonging. It's a gentle reminder that we're part of something larger. The garden connects us to the earth, to each other, and to the endless cycle of life. In the garden, we find hope, purpose, and a sense of belonging. It's a place where we can dream, reflect, and grow alongside the plants we tend. It's a universal language spoken by hands in the soil everywhere. No words are needed, just the shared act of growing. So next time you feel the urge to plant, remember, you're answering an ancient call. The garden is waiting, patient and ever welcoming. And it welcomes us all, inviting each of us to become part of its timeless story. So why not start your own garden today, no matter how small? Or share your gardening journey with others. Your story could inspire someone else to grow. Join the movement, plant a seed, and let's cultivate a world of beauty and connection together. Humans are not separate from nature. No matter how modern our lives become, we remain deeply connected to the living world around us. We're a part of it, woven into its fabric, sharing the same air, water, and earth. This bond is called biophilia, our innate need to connect with life, to seek out green spaces and living things. Think of the calm you feel in a forest or by the sea, the way your breath slows and your mind clears. It's not just emotion, it's biology. Our bodies respond to nature's rhythms and signals. Our bodies and minds are designed for natural environments, shaped by countless generations living close to the land. For millennia, the green world was our home, our larder, our sanctuary, a place of nourishment and safety. Science now confirms what we've always felt. Green spaces lower stress, speed healing, and help us recover from life's challenges. Even a few potted plants can lift our mood, sharpen our focus, and bring a sense of calm to our busy days. We're hardwired to respond to plants, to notice their colors, shapes, and subtle movements. Gardening awakens ancient instincts, reading seasons, knowing plants, listening to the earth's quiet wisdom. When we garden, we reconnect with a fundamental part of ourselves, rediscovering patience and wonder. It's a language we all understand, even if we've forgotten how to speak it, a universal connection that transcends words. The urge to be outside, to feel sun and soil, is the call of our own nature, echoing through generations. In a world of concrete and steel, the garden restores our balance, offering a refuge from the noise and rush. It's not a luxury, it's essential for our well-being, for our happiness, and for our sense of belonging. The garden reminds us we belong to this planet, and it belongs to us, inviting us to care for it in return. Nurturing this connection is vital not just for ourselves but for future generations. It grounds us, heals us, and brings us peace, reminding us of what truly matters. Every time we step into a garden, we remember who we are and what we're meant to be. We are nature, tending to itself, part of a living story that continues to unfold. And in the garden, we come home, to ourselves, to each other, and to the earth. A garden is more than just a collection of plants. It's a true refuge for the mind, a place where we can escape the noise and demands of daily life. Out there, your focus gently shifts from everyday worries to the simple, grounding tasks at hand. Pruning, weeding, watering, these simple acts become a form of meditation, inviting you to be present in each moment. The outside world fades away, your mind quiets, your breathing slows, and a sense of calm washes over you. Science shows that gardening can reduce anxiety and depression, helping us feel lighter and more at ease. Nurturing life gives us purpose and a sense of achievement, no matter how small the act. The garden is a small world where we can make a positive difference, shaping beauty and growth with our own hands. It engages all our senses, the feel of cool soil, the scent of fresh flowers, the gentle buzz of bees, and the vibrant colors of blooms all around. This sensory immersion grounds us in the present, drawing us away from distractions and into the here and now. The garden becomes a safe space, a place to process thoughts, untangle worries, and simply be yourself without judgment. Sometimes the best conversations are the ones we have with ourselves, hands in the dirt, heart open to reflection. The steady rhythm of gardening soothes the mind, offering comfort in repetition and gentle movement. The garden asks nothing of us but gives so much in return: fresh air, beauty, and a sense of belonging. It offers quiet companionship and a place to heal, where gentle sunlight and soft breezes bring comfort. In the garden we find clarity and calm, and a renewed sense of hope for each new day. It's a true sanctuary for the soul, a place where peace and renewal are always within reach. Step outside and let the garden restore you, mind, body, and spirit. Remember, peace is just a seed away, waiting to grow in your own sanctuary. Across cultures, gardens are sacred spaces, a bridge between earth and the divine. The Garden of Eden, Persian paradise gardens, Japanese meditative landscapes all reflect our longing for harmony and peace. These gardens are designed for contemplation, each element chosen for meaning. Tending a garden becomes a spiritual practice, a moving meditation. Even in our own small gardens we find this connection. The cycle of seasons mirrors our own lives: birth, growth, decline, renewal. Planting a bulb in autumn is an act of faith. Months later, a flower emerges, a symbol of hope and new beginnings. The garden teaches us to accept life's flow, to trust in renewal. It connects us to the mysteries of life and death. In the garden, we touch something eternal. It's not just land, it's a teacher and a source of wonder. Every garden is a spiritual journey. Gardening isn't just relaxing, it's great exercise. Digging, weeding, lifting, and stretching keep your body strong and flexible. Unlike the gym, it never feels like a chore. Gardening lowers blood pressure, supports heart health, and may even protect the brain. The soil itself is alive with microbes that boost our immune system and even our mood. Mycobacterium vaccae found in soil can trigger serotonin release, making us feel happier. Getting your hands dirty is a dose of good health. Exposure to soil microbes helps train our immune systems, reducing allergies and autoimmune issues. In our sanitized world, the garden reconnects us with nature's healing power. So don't worry about a little dirt under your nails. You're nurturing your body as well as your plants. There's nothing like eating food you've grown yourself. A sun-warmed tomato, fresh from the vine, is bursting with flavor and pride. Growing your own food means you know exactly what's in it: fresh, chemical-free, and nutritious. Homegrown produce is picked at its peak, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It encourages healthy eating and creativity in the kitchen. Gardening saves money. A few seeds can yield a bounty. It's a practical skill that brings security and resilience. Growing food teaches us to value and respect what we eat. When you've nurtured a plant from seed to plate, you waste less and appreciate more. It's a return to gratitude and common sense. In a world where food is often taken for granted, the garden brings us back to basics. It's good for your health, your wallet, and your soul. The honest harvest is always the sweetest. Gardens connect people as much as they grow plants. A chat over the fence, swapping seeds, or sharing surplus, these small acts build community. Community gardens transform neglected spaces into vibrant, productive places. People of all ages and backgrounds come together, breaking down barriers and building friendships. Gardening together reduces loneliness and creates a sense of belonging. The shared work and harvest forge strong bonds. Community gardens improve food security, teach children, and make cities greener. The benefits ripple out, making neighborhoods healthier and more welcoming. Whether private or shared, every garden sows seeds of cooperation. In the garden, we grow together. It helps hold us all together. Gardening is caring for the planet, one patch at a time. Every garden can help heal the environment. Sustainable gardening means working with nature, composting, conserving water, and avoiding chemicals. Composting turns waste into rich soil, reducing landfill and nourishing plants. Gardens are havens for wildlife, planting for pollinators, adding ponds, or leaving logs for shelter. Small actions like mulching and collecting rainwater add up to big change. Avoiding pesticides protects soil and waterways. When millions of gardeners act together, the impact is huge. Your garden is a statement of hope for a greener future. It's a small act of rebellion against waste. Together, we can make the world bloom. The greatest gift we can give children is a love for the natural world. The garden is a living classroom where kids learn by doing. They discover where food comes from, witness the magic of seeds, and meet the creatures that share our world. Gardening teaches patience, responsibility, and the value of effort. Kids who grow their own food are more likely to eat it and to try new things. It's a fun, hands-on way to build healthy habits for life. Gardening gives children a sense of pride and accomplishment. It connects them to the earth and to each other. By teaching kids to garden, we give them resilience and self-sufficiency. We teach them to care for the planet they'll inherit. A child with a spade and a seed is a child with hope. Plant a seed with a child, and you plant a legacy. The garden's lessons last a lifetime. So, take a moment to share your love of gardening. Invite a young one into the garden, pass on your knowledge, and help inspire the next generation of gardeners. Together, we can grow a greener, kinder world, one seed and one child at a time.